All right, so the Decked Cargoglide, 100% pullout versus the 75% pullout. That's a tongue twister. I had both of them. I had my previous work truck, I had the 75% pullout. And for my personal new company work truck, I got the 100%. Asked a lot of people about it, talked to the distributors, and basically they said there's no reason to get the 75% unless you're really trying to pinch pennies. I mean, that's really it, to tell you the truth. Unless you really need like a bigger weight limit, because I'm pretty sure the 75% pullout has a higher, it's like a 1,500 pound weight limit, whereas the 100%, you're only gonna get 1,000 pounds, which makes sense because you're gonna have way more of an overhang. But I'm an electrician, sole electrician. I've had wire tuggers in the back of this thing. I've had generators in the back of this. And this thing, you can find tons of videos on guys jumping on the edge of this thing. It's pretty durable. 1,000 pounds is gonna do you well. This is pretty much my normal carrying weight in it right now. And I'll get a measurement from the tail light to here, just to kind of give you guys more perspective. But with the 75% pullout, I was not able to get right to the back sections like I am with the 100%. And that made a huge difference for me going into my new work truck. You can see on this side that I have a whole pack out drawer system. So being able to get to that last drawer and open it up fully was kind of like a deal breaker for me. So I had this setup planned out before I got the cargo slide. I'll do a bunch of B-roll footage of it too and take a measurement of it in this video. But yeah, leave me a comment. Ask me any questions you want about this setup. I have some other videos on my Instagram and YouTube breaking down this setup a little bit. But I think it's a no-brainer. You might as well just go with the 100% because you're gonna regret not having that extra bit of space in the back. So there's kind of your answer. Unless you're really, really pinching pennies and you just want to get it. And my advice would be just wait a little longer and save up. Get the 100% because you're gonna want that. All right, so let's get a quick measurement. So from the back of the tailgate here, whatever you want to call that, it's about here. We're looking at about 64 inches, give or take. Now with the 100% slide, you can access this whole back section comfortably from the side of your tailgate. Whereas with the 75% pullout, when I had that, I had to reach back kind of into this area. And if you have a cap like this, you're gonna be dealing with that. And obviously, not to mention, you're not gonna have the ability to have a drawer like this and be able to open it. So, all things to consider, but I think if you're deciding between the 100% and the 75, I think the 100% is the clear winner. Thanks for watching. Drop me a comment, like the video, subscribe, all that good stuff. I appreciate you watching.